Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Have you ever read the book, The Count of Monte Cristo? Me either. But let's make a Monte Cristo sandwich. Let's get started. To begin making these tasty sandwiches, you will need to make the batter that the sandwiches will be dipped into. In a bowl, add 1 cup of Bisquick, which is a pre-mixed baking mix used for things like pancakes, waffles, and biscuits. Add in 1 cup of milk and crack open 2 eggs. Whisk everything all together until there are no more lumps. Turn on your griddle and allow it to heat up while you make the sandwiches. Taking your favorite bread, spread on some of your favorite mayonnaise. Layer on sliced ham, Swiss cheese, and a layer of sliced turkey. Most culinary experts believe that the Monte Cristo sandwich is a variation of a French dish called croque monsieur, a grilled cheese sandwich consisting of Gruyere cheese and lean ham layered between 2 slices of a crustless bread, fried in clarified butter and made in a special grill iron with 2 metal plates. You can either spray your pan with a cooking spray, or you can cook it in butter. Dip the sandwich into the batter and then let it drip off any excess. Place the sandwich on the griddle and let it cook for a minute or 2. Flip the sandwiches over and cook the other side. This sandwich was first served under the name the Monte Cristo in Southern California in the 1950s. To make sure you cook the batter all around the sandwich, I like to take the sandwich and lay it on its side, and then keep rotating it all around until it's fully cooked. When the sandwich is done cooking, I like to cut it in half on a diagonal, and then I like to place it the cut side down back on the griddle. You don't have to do this. I just like to cook the middle and give the sandwich a little extra love. To a bowl, add some of your favorite jam. This is what you will be dipping your sandwich into. Place the sandwich on a plate and dust it lightly with some powdered sugar. Dip into the jam and enjoy this warm and scrumptious sandwich. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified the next time I upload a video. I will see you in the next video.